Hello, this is a video to help you look through the Voyage database about the transatlantic slave trade. And this is a follow through of how to look up information about specific routes and ships that transported Africans to the Americas and to Europe. To be able to get to the database, you would just go up to the top tab here, go down to the Voyages database, the drop section. And from there, you come to the main database page, which has in the center here the results to the different ships and locations that have information about the Africans that they transported. And in the left-hand column here is different sections to be able to adjust for time and adjust for types of voyages and for different numbers of slaves that were transported. And from there, you'll be able to see those results when you have them finally queried. So, for example, if I wanted to look up how to find out whether certain ships had at least 30% African females as a part of their cargo in their trip to the Americas. What I could do is look for a specific time range, which I would put at the top here. I'm going to choose 1750 to 1850. And then from there, I could go to the voyage outcome, where I would look to see for the slaves what sort of outcome was it for them in disembarking in America. And also I might even look up if there were any records of slaves perishing with the ship as well. And I've select OK. And then because this is about females on slave ships, I'll go down to slave characteristics, the percentage of women, and I would say 30%. See if there are any records about there being at least 30% of women being on these ships when they're sent to the Americas and to Europe. And then once I have all of my queries, I will then press search. And from there, you see the results that are listed here in the center. And there's only 10 now out of 69. So what I can do is increase the number of results that are shown. And from there, you see there's a listing here. And to be able to look at an individual result, I'll just click on one that's highlighted. And we see here 1790 for the ship called Sarah, and that fits our time frame. And if we scroll down, we can see that it arrived in Jamaica, which is the Americas, in 1790. And we scroll down further and we have our percentage of women was at least 30%. So from there, you can see that the results are listed here as just a sort of spreadsheet format with as much information as could be shown. And then there's also an option to provide a map of the route to which this specific ship took from Africa to Jamaica. There are also images, if images are listed with the individual ships, but they are not. So for someone looking to try to find information about either people or about ships. This is a route that could be taken to look at that information. And if you also want to go back and change some of the results, change what you're looking for, you can also go back in. Maybe I only want 10% of women on the ships, and search. And I can come up with another list of queries to be able to look at. So that's just a small look into how to use the Voyage database to look up information about certain groups of people or about locations and destinations.